Next one, effect of common ion on solubility. Effect of common ion on solubility. Okay, now first of all, what is considered as a common ion? Okay, common ion means, for example, I am taking the AgCl. This is a solid, undergo dissociation to form the Ag plus aqueous plus Cl minus aqueous. Okay, now here I am taking the another equation. Here AgNO3 solid. Okay, now here it will undergo the dissociation to form the Ag plus aqueous plus NO3 minus aqueous. Okay, na? In both reactions, this ion is the common. Okay, na? This is considered as a common ion. Okay, na? Common ion. Okay, na? For example, I am taking this is as an example for okay, na? Cation. Okay, na? Anion is also okay, na? Common. Okay, na? Ions. For example, I am taking the BaSO4 undergo dissociation. Okay, this is a solid and it gives the Ba plus 2 aqueous. Okay, na? Plus SO4 minus 2 aqueous. Okay, na? For this one I am taking another solution, PbSO4 solid. Okay, na? Undergo dissociation to form Pb plus 2. This is the aqueous and next one is the SO4 minus 2 aqueous. Okay, in this one the common ion is the anion. Okay, na? Common ion. Here cation I am taking this one in an example as a okay, na? Anion. Okay, na? Next I am going to discuss the what is the effect of common ion. What is the effect of this common ion on solubility? Okay, na? Right. I am going to take okay this one. Okay, na? This solution. Okay, na? For example, this is the AgCl solution. AgCl. Okay, na? Saturated solution. To this AgCl solution, I am adding the common ion. Okay, I am adding the common ion. Then solubility. Okay, na? Decreases. Okay, the concept is the concentration of common ion increases. Okay, na? The solubility. Okay, na? Decreases. Okay, this is the key point. Okay, na? Concentration of the common ion increases and solubility decreases. Okay, now here I am going to add more Ag plus. Okay, now the solubility of okay, now this AgCl decreases. How, sir? Okay, now I can prove that theoretically, right, and practically also, right. Next one. For this one, I am adding the cation as a common ion. Okay, now here same solution. AgCl is there. To this one I am adding the common anion. Okay, na? So okay, na? Cl is there. Okay, na? To this one I am adding the Cl ion. It is the time also same concept. Concentration of the common ion increases, solubility decreases. How, sir? Okay, na? I can prove that. Okay. First of all, note this one. Okay, na? We have to understand the effect of common ion on solubility. Okay, na? We are going to solve these numericals. We get the perfect idea on the effect of common ion on solubility. Okay. Here I am going to solve these questions. Ksp of AgCl, solubility product of AgCl is 10 to the power minus 10. Calculate the solubility of AgCl in 0.1 m AgNO3. And here I am taking another question, same, but here the value, okay, na? Here we are taking the different value. Okay, na? For this one, okay, na? Here I am going to solve this one. First concentration is given to us. First of all, I am writing the AgNO3. By using the, okay, here the value of AgNO3 is given. Okay, AgNO3 solid is undergo dissociation in aqueous solution. Okay, na? Here it form the Ag plus NO3 minus. Okay, here AgNO3, how many number of moles? 0.1 moles of AgNO3 dissolved in water. Okay, na? It can produce the 0.1 mole of Ag plus 0.1 mole of, okay, na? NO3 minus. Okay, here I am going for the, okay, na? What is the question? Calculate the solubility of AgCl. First of all, I am writing the AgCl dissociation, AgCl solid equilibrium with Ag plus aqueous solution plus Cl minus aqueous solution. Okay, na? In this one, okay, na? Solubility 1s, here solubility 1s. Okay, na? For this one I am writing the Kp. Okay, sorry, Ksp. KSP is equal to okay, before going to calculate the KSP, here which is the common ion? Common ion is the Ag plus. Okay, na? This is the AgCl solution. Okay, na? In AgCl solution we are adding the common ion Ag plus. Okay, na? This is the AgNO3 from AgNO3. Okay, na? AgNO3. That's why here okay, na, I am going to add okay, na, this Ag plus. How much concentration of Ag plus? Okay, 0.1. Okay, 0.1. Okay, to this one. Okay, now to calculating this numerical, I am going to negligible this term. Sir, why you are going to negligible this term? I will give explanation for that one. First of all, see here. Okay, here KSP is equal to this term is negligible. Remaining is the 0.1 into S. Okay, 0.1S. Okay, here what is the KSP value? KSP value is given 10 to the power minus 10. 10 to the power minus 10 is equal to 0.1S. Okay, here S is equal to what? S is equal to, here it moves to here 10 to the power minus 9. 10 to the power minus 9. Okay, this is the value. Okay, now here you have to compare. Okay, now how to negligible this term? Which time we are going to negligible this term? Okay, now at which time we are not going to negligible this term? Okay, I am writing here 10 to the power minus 9. You are going to okay, now compare these two values, common ion values. Okay, now here 10 to the power minus 9, 10 to the power 0.1 means 10 to the power minus 1. Okay, na 10 to the power minus 1, 10 to the power minus 1. Okay, na very large value differentiation is there. Okay, na comparatively value difference is more. Okay, na when value difference is more, at that time we have to negligible this term. Okay, na I am going for next one. Okay, na explanation purpose I am going for next one. Here same thing I am doing the same thing. Okay, na here solution here AgNO3 equilibrium with Ag plus aqueous. I am writing same thing NO3 minus aqueous, but here I am taking the 0.1, here 10 to the power minus 5, here 10 to the power minus 5 moles of this one, and 10 to the power minus 5. Okay, here next one is the AgCl equilibrium with Ag plus aqueous plus Cl minus aqueous. Okay, now here S. Okay, now to this one I am adding this term. Okay, now 10 to the power minus 5. Okay, now due to common ion. Okay, now I am going to solve the KSP is equal to this term going to negligible. Okay, now here 10 to the power minus 5 into S. Okay, now what is the KSP value? KSP value is the 10 to the power minus 10. 10 to the power minus 10 is equal to 10 to the power minus 5. Yes. Okay, now here what is the S? S is equal to 10 to the power minus 5. You have to take this one here 10 to the power minus 5. Okay, now compare 10 to the power minus 5, 10 to the power. Any difference is there? No. That's why we need not to negligible this term. Okay, now this is the wrong one. I am going for the okay, now I am going to solve the quadratic equation. Okay, now without neglecting this term. Okay, now ikkadiki vellipovali, this is good. Okay, right? Here I am going for this one. Okay, now this term. Okay, now here I am writing separately. Okay, writing separately here. It is separately here. Okay, now here AgCl. Okay, now Ag plus aqueous, Cl minus aqueous. Okay, na S plus 10 to the power 5. This is the S. Okay, for this one AgNO3 equilibrium with Ag plus NO3 minus. Okay, na for this one 10 to the power 5. Okay, na I am comparing these two. Okay, KSP is equal to what? S. Okay, na S plus 10 to the power minus 5 into S. Okay, na here KSP value, how much KSP value is there? KSP value is the 10 to the power. Okay, na 10 to the power minus 10. 10 to the power minus 10 is equal to, okay, here S plus 10 to the power minus 5 into S. Okay, to solving this one we get 0.6 into 10 to the power 5. 10 to the power 5. Okay, na here mole per liter. Okay, na here you have to observe this change. Okay, na here 0.6 into 10 to the power 5. Okay na? Compare these two. 10 to the power 5, 0.6 into 10 to the power 5. Sir, why? Okay na? These values are this. Why? Because of here the common ion is going to soluble more concentration of common ion is there. Then okay na, the concentration of this one negligible. Okay na, here more concentration is there. Okay na, we are going to negligible this one. Okay na, here more concentration is not there. Okay na, common ion concentration is the less, then we are going to negligible this term. Okay na, you have to note this one. Okay na, simply you have to compare this one. Any large difference is there, you have to negligible this term. No difference is there, you have to solve the quadratic equation to solve this one. Okay, note this. Next problem is this one. Okay na, solubility product of CaF2 is the 4 into 10 to the power minus 12. Calculate the solubility of CaF2 in 0.1 m. Okay na, NaF. Okay na, first of all I am writing the NaF equilibrium with this is solid Na aqueous. Okay, Na aqueous plus Na plus aqueous F minus aqueous. Okay, for this one, this is the 0.1 m. Okay na, 0.1 m, 0.1 m, 0.1 m. Okay, it is dissolved to get Na plus 0.1 m of Na plus 0.1 m of F minus. Okay, now we are going to calculate the solubility of CaF2. That's why I am writing the CaF2 solid equilibrium with Ca plus 2. Okay, na, aqueous plus 2F minus aqueous. Okay, na, 2F minus aqueous. For this one I am writing the KSP. In this one common ion is this one F. Okay na, here 0.1 is there. Okay na, here to this one I am adding the 0.1. For this one KSP is equal to okay, this one S into 2S plus 0.1. Okay na, how many number of moles are there? 2 power. Okay na, here in this one this term going to negligible. Okay na, this term going to negligible. Okay na, compared to this one this term going to negligible. Here it can be written as S into 0.2. Yes or no? But what is the KSP value? KSP value is the 4 into 10 to the power minus 12. Here S is equal to what? S is equal to okay na, 4 into 10 to the power minus 10. Here minus 12 minus 10. This is the value. Okay na? You have to go and compare the values. 4 into 10 to the power minus 10. Here 0.1. 0.1 means what? 10 to the power minus 1. 10 to the power minus 1. 10 to the power minus 10. Okay, comparatively, okay, large value is there. Okay, this is the right one. This term negligible is the correct one. Okay, next I am going to, this is the solubility. Solubility of CaF2 is the 4 into 10 to the power minus 10. That is the correct one. And next one is the next solution. Okay, solubility of PbCl2 in 0.1 m MgCl2. KSP of okay na, PbCl2 is given to us. First of all I am writing the MgCl2 equilibrium with Mg plus 2 plus Cl, 2Cl minus. Okay, this is the aqueous, this is also aqueous. Here MgCl2 0.1 m. Okay, 0.1 m, 0.1 m, it resolved to produce the 0.1 m. Okay na, Mg plus 2, here also 0.1 m. Okay na, 2Cl minus. Okay na, how many moles of 2Cl? Okay na, 2 moles of. Okay na, 2 moles of. Here next one is the PbCl2. PbCl2 equilibrium with this is a solid, equilibrium with okay na, Pb plus 2 plus 2Cl minus 2Cl. This is aqueous, this is also aqueous. Here this is the S. Okay na, S. How many S? 2S. For this 2S I am adding the okay na, here 2 into 0.1 0.2. Okay, I am going to neglect this term. Okay, when calculating the KSP. KSP is equal to okay na, here KSP is equal to S into 0.2. S into 0.2. What is the KSP value? KSP value, okay, this one 4 into 10 to the power minus 15 is equal to S into 0.2. Here S is equal to how much? S is equal to 4 into 10 to the power, when this is a minus 2, here plus 2, okay, here minus 13. S is equal to 4 into 10 to the power minus 13. You and go here and compare with this one. Okay, common ion is this one. That's why you have to compare this one. Comparison is more. Okay, that's why this is the correct one. Okay, like this manner we have to solve the solubility of the ions. Okay, when under the effect of the common ion.